When doing the glute bridge, you may get back pain in your mid and lower back from hyperextending while you're trying to lift your butt. So in this video, I'm going to share a simple drill that you can use to improve the control of your rib cage and spinal position while you're doing the glute bridge. This will make sure that you're using your butt muscles instead of your back muscles and will help you get the most out of the exercise. To do this exercise, we are going to start by lying on our back, face up, knees bent. You're going to want to have an elastic band, some sort of training band attached to something heavy and immovable to give you an anchor point. You can use a TheraBand or an orange training band, whatever you have is okay. You're going to take this band and you're going to pull it so that it's above you. And when you pull it here, you should feel like your abdominal muscles are firing to help stabilize your rib cage. So as you're holding this here, you should feel the abs fire, and then you're going to squeeze your butt cheeks and lift your butt up off of the floor while still holding on to the band without letting it get pulled over. So your hands stay in place, and you're just going to bridge while maintaining tension in your abs, tension on the band, and firing those glutes. The idea here is to make sure that your rib cage and your low back do not get pulled around during the bridge. So for people who are coming up and starting with too much extension in the low back and in the mid back, this is going to help keep the rib cage down. So what we don't want to see is this with a big arch in the low back. We want to keep ribs down and then use our butt cheeks to come up. The band in this position, being held in this position, keeps those abs on, so it's a lot easier to just maintain spinal position, maintain rib cage position while firing your glutes. So that's how you'd use the band to help you with your bridge. This simple drill is one that Trevor shared in one of our upright live hips classes recently, and I felt like I really had to just make this video so you guys out there in YouTube land could get a taste of what's going on in the upright live hips class. If you are looking for help training your hips, you want to make them more mobile, you want to make them stronger, and you want to get guidance and ideas from somebody who's really good at training hips, then be sure to check out the Upright Live program. You can find it at uprighthealth.com/live, and we hope to see you in one of our live streamed classes. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you are looking for more help for your hips, be sure to check out Upright Live, and also check out uprighthealth.com/hip help. You'll find a link down below to some of our do-it-yourself programs to help you with your hips. And if you liked the video, be sure to click the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos, and share this video with someone you know who wants healthier, happier hips too. I'm Matt Hsu from Upright Health, reminding you that pain sucks, life shouldn't.